Hi, Mike from Dirtydog 4x4 here today to show you how to install a cargo liner for the rear section of a Bronco 4-door. This would fit the same way with a soft top or a hard top. And it's a really easy installation. There's no parts you have to install. It just all slides in, holds in place, and quick and easy. So we'll show it to you. What you have in your box is basically you're going to have the cargo liner itself and door / bumper protector in there as well too. And you also have, you will have parts. You have 3 Velcro adhesives that go onto your door panel to help hold that in place. And that's it. So let's get the table out of the way here and we'll show you how the installation goes. All right, we're going to get this installed here. We're going to lay it in the back of the vehicle and unfold it, lay it out. Position it so you've got these 3 Velcro, the soft Velcros. They're sitting right at your back tailgate here near the edge. That's where you know you got it positioned properly. There's a couple pockets that really hold it in place. You've got a pocket here that goes through your door, and you got a pocket back here that goes around these, I guess you call them a trench barrier when your seats are down. You don't have to put it on the front trench barriers there. If you don't want it, if you take it in and out regularly, because it is a little more work putting in there, but you get a nice clean, nice tight fit. It'll stay in place, and you don't have to worry about billowing out if you got the windows or roof open. So that's why we put that there. So the first piece you want to put on is that. So we're just going to crawl in and put that in place. Make sure you're not kneeling on the sides. It'll hinder your ability to put this on. So slide on one side. So we've got that slid down in place, and it just sits there like that. And we've got Velcro tabs to hold in place there, the little Velcro. You can just push that up, and you kind of, to get yourself positioned, you can center it there. And that gets that up out of your way. So the next piece you want to put on now is you want to open up your hatch in the bottom here. Open your hatch right up. The pocket here. Slide it on. It is a snug fit. You're going to find everything fits nice and tight. The hatch goes down. So that's that. So now that should line up the back. You got your sides. There's a strap. Goes around the snap. Like so. Other side, another strap. And so these ones here, you can reach around from the other side. You can pull it up in place. If you've got the center one in place, you can do that here. So put your headrest up temporarily. You can pull the Velcro off here. It'll wrap around. Headrest back down. And do the other sides. There is little Velcro tabs sort of bolted on the carpet to get those in place. So we'll flip around the front here. That's it, the liner's installed. The only last piece you want to install is your door protector. And just to show you that the door protector kind of works 2 ways. It works in your rear door panel here. It goes on this, the 3 Velcro adhesive Velcros. They go on the top rail. And all this does is it fits on top of the door. Now I know some of you have the table option. You'll probably be able to make this with the table option as well too. And that's just protection. When you're not using it for the door, or you want to protect your bumper, you got a dog coming in and out on you. That's what these 3 Velcros. You peel it off the door, just stick it on there, and that just helps if you're throwing firewood in or you're off road and you don't want to beat up your bumpers, even steel, chipping the steel. This will help bringing stuff in and out. And if you don't want to put it back in the door, you can just flip it up, and so on and so forth. So that's it. Install is very easy. People ask about cleaning. You don't necessarily want to put it in the wash machine. You can, but your rubber backing here is going to eventually break away and it's going to lose its waterproof ability on it. Vacuum it. If you have a driveway, take it out, hose it off in your driveway, dry it in the sun. Or you go to a car wash, spray it off, spray wash, take it out, put it back in. It is very durable fabric. If you put your dog in here, it will weave, the hair will collect on it, but vacuum is usually the best way to get it out. And other than that, you should have some good use out of it. Have a great day.